Bye-bye. I don't think it's a good idea. Bye. Oh, man. Ooh. And then the last time you drove us in this,
yeah,
we almost went off the road.
Yeah, we almost died. It was cool though.
There's somebody right there.
He wants to get hit. A lot.
B-roll. What was he doing?
I didn't hear it. Nobody hear it scrub. Bumps, whatnot. I didn't hear it. So that
no
is
scrubs?
Good. No scrubs. No scrubs.
Turn down your air just a little.
Okay, that works.
So no scrubs?
No scrubs. We're just gonna turn down this road right here, and we're gonna chase some waterfalls. Oh wait, no, we're not supposed to chase those. No chasing waterfalls. Okay.
I don't get the reference.
No scrubs. No waterfalls.
Mm-mm.
This is gonna be really awkward when we make this video. All right.
I really don't get the reference. I'm confused.
Oh, I love it. Oh, it's even better. All right, so audience, I'm gonna need y'all to look up Mitchell Davis and talk shit about him, about this whole no scrubs and waterfalls thing. So, but you know, it's all right. All we're doing is making some fucking B-roll right now. Eventually, something will hit.
Or A-roll.
Or A-roll. Yeah, you never know.
This could be our last video.
Could be. Could be. Or no.
My hands are so heavy.
No.
The camera's so heavy.
No scrubs.
Or waterfalls.
No scrubs.
What would you don't want waterfalls?
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Do you not know the song?
It's something like, yeah.
Yeah, that's both TLC.
Well, the
No
hook.
scrubs and TLC.
Oh.
Yeah, that was the joke.
Oh, well,
Yeah. So let's clear tires. Should we clear tires? There we go.
It's a lot better than this time.
Yeah, it's easier.
We stayed on the road this time.
Yeah, we stayed on the road this time. It was good. It's kind of what you want. So let's do a little downshift a little. There's a second gear. We do a second gear pull. That'll work. And then at some point we're gonna U-turn, and maybe I'll try to launch it a little. See.
I thought you already launched it.
I will.
No, I thought you did already.
Let's launch right here. Oh,
Cars.
They literally wanted to turn behind me for some reason. I don't know why. I thought that was a good idea. Let's wait.
I thought you already launched it. What are you talking about?
No, I just punched it.
What's the difference?
An actual launch is like first gear. Like I do digs. I don't like roll racing. Roll racing's gay. I mean, we can.
Well, I don't know what either one of those words mean.
Dig racing's from a stop, and
you're talking to somebody that talks about zeros and ones all day long, and
yeah, he's not really a race car guy. It's okay. I'm not either, man. This is a 4-door family car with a blower.
Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
Yep. So wait for all these cars, which is taking forever, but we'll get it going here eventually. Maybe I can clean off the tires a little bit. Just clean a little bit of these tires. Let's see. Nah, it'll hit. Okay, so we're gonna launch. Let's do it. Nope. It's gonna spin. There's 120.
Well, tires make a difference.
Yeah. Alrighty. That was a good little pull, right?
That was, I mean, I don't know what a bad pull is. So, I thought that other one earlier was amazing.
It still spun though, man. I couldn't launch it. But we were still on street. We're not on a prep track or nothing. But That's the best part. We got decent tires on it, so it still hooks up, even though it's got kind of half-ass, no prep conditions. So, but it's fun. It's a good little setup. I can tell you right now, it felt different. I didn't hear it scrubbing every time I shift or anything, which is nice.
Does it normally do that, or especially like this turn?
Oh yeah. No, especially first. Yeah, especially first to second gear. I hear it every time it shifts. Right at the top end of first, I hear it scrubbing pretty bad. So it definitely took the wrong turn. Also, so we had.
But it was a good U-turn for the tires to hear it.
Maybe I can
catch
maybe I can get out here and do another little pull real quick because we figured out a little bit. So we'll see. Let's see. Maybe I can at least see if I can't get out. Oh, it might be all right. Let's see. All right. I'm not gonna preload it too much, but. That's pretty good.
That was good.
Yeah, it didn't spin too much, so it wasn't too bad. It was fun. There's some good bumps, and that's kind of what I need too. Bumps. That was the front tire. Obviously, I haven't rolled the front wheels, but
Are you gonna roll the front wheels?
No, the front wheels have actually kind of rolled themselves for the most part. It's kind of weird, but they still sit kind of on the inside, and I guess the way they're shaped, they've actually slowly kind of concaved that little lip on that fender. So it's worked out all right. So the back wheels were the main concern. They didn't want to give way at all. So. Feels good. Uh-oh. CTSV. Come on, turn around. Let's go. No, guess not. Alright, whatever. Okay. Alright, where's Cody's turn?
Next one.
Okay. We'll get back. Maybe we'll get the car out a little bit later. It feels better though, I can tell you that much. Oh, that's nice. Hopefully we got enough B-roll.
Too much B-roll.
Too much?
Not enough B-roll. Never have enough B-roll.
That's probably true. Should get the tires wet. Maybe kick it sideways. It's fun, man. The car's just fun. It's way easier to control though now. It really is. With the tires and everything else we got on it, it's just easier to control. It's all it is. Now we can get out and see if it killed the tires any more than it did before. I don't think it did.
It sounded like it. Front tire sounded like it.
Whatever's on it's just stuff that's been on it, I think. Yeah, you'd see it too, but no.
Nothing too bad?
No. Not like it was. It was pulling reels of freaking rubber off of it, so I'm not really seeing it too much now.
No.
A lot of this is just stuff that's been on there.
Right.
Yeah.
But no new gashes.
No.
Doesn't feel like it.
No.
Feels nice.
You'd know it too. Yeah.
Like,
this is all stuff that's been there. I just haven't pulled off yet, but
no cuts.
no. You can see a lot more rubber on it too. Yeah.
Looks good.
Hell yeah. Let's go back in. Let's drink more beer. It's beer time now.
Beer 30.